Hello guys, good morning. So it's a chill Saturday today after I think it's a really hectic week sa atin. Ako personally, I have a hectic week sa work and nakakatuwa lang kasi nakakaraos tayo every week. And ano pa bang masarap tuwing Saturday morning? Give me a good cup of coffee with the Arabica bean, a good coffee. Ang sarap, no? And if you come to think of it, kung titignan mo, one of the best days of the week, Saturday. Saturday night na sa mga kabataan yan, what they call walwal days. And sa atin naman, medyo may edad, no? That's the time for us to spend with our family, to watch movie, Netflix, Disney Plus, and anything that you want to watch and kumakain lang sa harap ng TV. It's a simple life. No? And later on my channel, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pinagkakaabalahan ko. I have my garden. Simple lang naman kasi yung garden na yan, pinangarap natin yan nung bata pa tayo. And yeah, I have my pets. I have rabbits. Meron tayong mga African lovebirds na I'm sure magugustuhan nyo rin kung nakita nyo. And yung family namin, me, my wife Christine, and my daughter Kaya, we love to eat talaga. So, parang hilig namin man, obvious naman sa katawan namin. And we'll share with you the videos that we have na mga kinakain namin. This channel is not meant for food review, I guess. Siguro, it's more on the sharing of our food experiences kasi taste buds naman natin iba-iba. Iba-iba naman yung preference natin. Pwedeng sa akin masarap, sa inyo hindi. Or the other way around. Just, this channel would be just a unfiltered channel. Walang selan, walang arte, kain lang.